Let's see some 10s. That's what Tam says. Alright, this box has 2 for Riku. Ooh, Riku's Eevee and Growlithe. And Heather's Crown Zenith Glaceon. Alright. Oop. Make sure I turn those upside down. Alright, well, there's 2 boxes again. So this one ends in 0870. And I really hope Riku's still here. I'm watching intently. Our Palafin. Alright, let me get this other stack out of this other box, though. Without, hopefully, revealing anything. Alright, that's the back there. Ooh, man. Big stack. Ha! Come on! Alright, so. Alright, Steve says that this is a Palafin. Let's see what we got. The Twilight Masquerade. Oh, is this the Regal Palafin? The Ultra Rare. Oh, your child. And, oh, it's a 10. My Regal Palafin got a 10. Look at him. So sharp. Let's go. A Deerling IR. All right. Pretty card. So here we go. Oh, let's go. It's a 10. Deerling got a 10. Let's go. Snowrunt. That's an IR, right? Paradox Rift. All right, here we go. Snowrunt. Oh, it's a 9, but hey, he's still cute. A Grottle IR. That's Forces. All right, here we go. Oh, let's go. Grotto got a 10. Meltan IR. This is Forces as well, I believe. All right, here we go. Boom! Meltan got a 10. Faulkner Ultra Rare. So this is Paldea. Paldea Evolved. All right, here we go. Faulkner got a 10. He's the one that likes all the flying Pokemon. A Fortress Ultra Rare. I have no idea why we sent it in. Maybe we were just scraping. But here we go. A Fortress. Got a 9. To be expected. These Ultra Rares are tough to grade. Oh, a Brilliant Stars. Lumineon. Alright, Brilliant Stars. Lumineon. V. Is a 9. 9-pound fish. Alright, this is a Teal Mask Ogerpon. Is this SIR or an ultra rare Teal Mask Ogerpon? Alright, here we go. It's a 10! Woo! Man, and they gave my, okay, well, they gave my Fortress a 9, but they gave my Ogerpon a 10. Oh, too funny. Alright, Metagross, Paradox Rift. Tef, Metagross. IR. Here we go. It's a 10! Ooh, more snow. More Pokemon playing in the snow. Oh, okay, so A specs. Steve says we're trying to get a complete set of A specs, but these are very far and few between of being good, of even making it to a, you know, the gradable pile. So, here we go. It's the Legacy Energy, and it got a 10. Iron Thorns, Ultra Rare. Here we go. It's a 10! There's the Green Godzilla. Well, one of the Green Godzillas. I know Tyranitar is the other one. Iron Moth IR. Alright, here we go. Iron Moth is a 10! Oh my god, let's go! Alright, Dragapult. Double Rare? Ultra Rare? This is a double rare? A Dragapult double rare. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a 10! Infernape, so Twilight Masquerade. All right, here we go. Infernape IR is a 10! Let's go! Teal Mask Ogerpon. Double rare. Ooh, another double rare. Whew, okay. It's a 10! All right. Oh, we sent in 2 Teal Mask Ogerpons? Two double rare Teal Mask Ogerpons. All right, here we go. And it got a 10 too! Pinsir IR, that guy right up there, right? All right, a PSA of Pinsir. Oh, let's go, another 10. Oh, full art Glaceon, that means this is Heather's. Here we go, what's up, Nut? All right. Yep, Michael. Drum roll, please. Crown Zenith. Full art Glaceon V-Star. 0852. Michael, Heather. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. And it's a 10! Let's go! Oh, Riku. This is your Hisuian Growlithe IR. Here we go. Let's do this. Here we go. Oh god, I'm nervous. It's a 10! Ah, Growlithe got a 10! Let's go! Oh, our Raging Bolt SIR. Alright, here we go. Here we go. He stole the Eevee. Raging Bolt SIR, got a 10! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Oh, Tatsugiri. Here we go. Another sushi. Let's see what it is. It's a 10! Let's go. 10 Parade. Yeah, absolutely. Man, this deck is massive. It's Eevee time. Here we go. And it got a 10! All right, there we go. I am a happy camper, for sure. Woo! Let's go. Set it aside. Oh my goodness, Riku. Put that in a sleeve right now. All right, let me find my sleeves. Got 16 minutes left. A Dragapult Ultra Rare. Here we go. It got a 10! Ah! Unfair stamp. Okay, Ace Spec. Here we go. And it got a 10! Ah! Alright, Wu Chen Ultra Rare. Here we go. Got a 9. This slug is tough. I think I'm done trying on the Wu Chen Ultra. He is tough. Yeah, both we've sent in have gotten 9s. All right, so that is out of 26 slabs. We got 4 9s. So that means 22 10s. Oh my god.